My name is Reuben Riddiough. I do product design and I'm in my second year. I decided product design was the course for me. Coming to Open Days did help me make a decision, especially for my course, seeing as though it's so practical. Once I got in and saw these machines that I've never even used before, it just really excited me. My course has given me links to real industry professionals, whether that's through guest lecturers or through my mentoring scheme. From speaking to these professionals, I have gone to places like LinkedIn and broaden up my network of people. I got the opportunity to go to a 5-part lecture series with a freelancer. This led me on to get a mentorship, and one of the mentors I got was an industrial designer. He was a freelancer, and that also meant that I could talk to him, get some really professional advice. As a designer, I'm not too familiar with business. Another mentor who works with a marketing business, they kindly helped me with the business side to the freelancing. They really helped me understand some key concepts. If I didn't have the opportunities of mentors or guest lecturers, I wouldn't be in the place I am now. I feel Leeds Beckett has helped me become the person I am today because I've found myself as a person. I used to think that going to work would be something I would dread in the future, but now that I've done my research at university and I'm starting to go down that route of a designer, I feel that this is something I really want to do, and it's something that I am kind of proud that I've got this far and found the thing I want to do.